I don't know how Lala and B-Boy saw a parking spot for so far away, but if you notice, there's lights. So the green lights mean that there's parking. Ah, so there's a parking spot there because there's a green light.
Yeah,
but how does it know?
Sensors.
Sensors. Ah, I see the sensors. So when you park, the sensors can tell and it makes the light red. That is so
Not
cool.
all the lights are like this. Some may only be reserved and some may have the green light though.
Ah. So I think this is like the 5th store we walked into and they actually legit have Thunderbolt cables, so we're good. Well, once we go through here, we get back to the house, we can finish setting up all the gear and we should be good. Alright, we're heading out of this particular mall. Gotta pay for parking. And then we go. No idea.
Me neither. These are mosquito bites. I would know. These bugs don't itch or hurt though. So if they're not mosquito bites or they're not allergies, I don't know what they are.
Whew. Alright, I gotta find the car. I see a lot of red lights. He's trying to cut us, isn't he? Yes. I gotta love it, but not love it.
Yes, that's it. Exactly.
Yeah.
So you just have to get used to it.
Get used to the traffic and the way everyone drives and all the bikes. Oh, yeah. See, there's the bikes now.
Actually, there's a left and right bike in front of you. Sometimes there's even people. Sometimes there's even dogs, cats. Name it, we have them.
All the zigzagging.
The difficulty I have driving in the U.S. is number one is on top of I need to remember to follow rules. Is that you guys drive so fast.
Yeah.
Oh, it's terrifying.
Yeah. And what's worse is our speed limits are high enough, in my opinion. We go past those.